Look no further than the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, wireless charging station, proximity key entry, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, premium sound system. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.